How to use your points on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. At the bottom, you're gonna find a Fin option. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're in this page, here you're gonna find a Fin option. You'll also find the option of points over here. Click on that. With that, you'll be able to find how many points are within your SHEIN account. Now, how can you use it? For that, you'll need to make a purchase. So, go ahead and purchase any of the item. First up, select the item. Select the details for the item, size, color, and the quantity. Add the item to the cart. Once you are done selecting the item, click on the cart icon given at the top right corner. Once you're in the cart page, you're gonna find the list of the items that you have added to make a purchase. Now you can proceed to checkout. Once you're on the order confirmation page, you will need to provide your shipping address, select the shipping method, then select your payment method. Scrolling down, you'll find the option of points. Click on that. With that, you're gonna find the available points that can be used in your purchase. Now in the box, you can type in how many points you wanna use and then click on apply. With that, the points will be used for the purchase and you'll get certain amount as a discount. So this way, you can easily use points on your SHEIN. SHEIN points can only be redeemed towards the purchase of products and cannot be used towards shipping cost, taxes, or fees. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.